Hey girls, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a clothing haul. So here is the clothing haul of all the outfits that I wore in my Maldives vacation. So without further ado, let's get started. Today is this low, sleek bun kind of hairstyle day because I have to wash my hair really badly and it's not in the best of its shape. I really like this look as well. First is this outfit that I got from Azorte. This color itself screams summer. I absolutely love this outfit. Pretty much is a set, but you have to purchase it separately. So this is the top. So this is a linen material which is very easy to be wearing in summer, especially for your beach vacations. And this color looks absolutely amazing. The detailing of these buttons and straps on the sleeves, overall the fit looks super cute. And with that, there is the shorts that I got. This set looked absolutely gorgeous. These shorts are for 899 and this top is for 999. If you don't yet follow me on Instagram, go ahead, follow my Instagram page, and you will see how I styled each of the outfits that I am showing you in this haul. Next, I bought these linen pants from Reliance Trends. This is basically a straight pant. The material is linen, so you can wear it very easily in summers. And personally, I feel like white pants are a must in your wardrobe. So this has a belt attached too. This fits me perfectly. This is from the brand Pro Earth Conscious Living. This pant was for 3299. This beautiful red shirt with white stripes. This is from the brand DNMX, was for 799. Oversized shirt and it looks absolutely gorgeous. You can pair it with a white trouser. Since this is also oversized, it feels really breezy to be wearing in this hot summer. From H&M, this is a strapless top. Personally, I love this color and I love this cutout designs on this top. It's a very simple yet super cute top. You can style it with a skirt, pants, or even your jeans. This one was for 1999. Is this super cute t-shirt from H&M. It's your plain white t-shirt with this beautiful shell detailing, perfect for your beach vacation again. This one I got from H&M for 999. With that t-shirt, I have styled this gorgeous cotton skirt. This is such a beautiful flare navy blue skirt. Looks super cute and the material is so comfortable to wear. This was for 1499. Next up is this gorgeous skirt in this beautiful bright red color. This was for 999. Next up is this beautiful beige satin trouser. Super breezy. Love the color. I love the material of these trousers, and you can style it in so many different ways. To pair it with this beige satin trouser, I bought this top. It looks super stunning. As you can see, the color is so gorgeous. I love this particular lace detailing. You will see how it looks. So make sure that you follow me on Instagram. I simply bought it because I love the color of this top. From Azorte is this gorgeous printed cream and brown oversized shirt. Look at the beautiful sleeves. It is super oversized, so looks great. You can wear it in the summers easily. This shirt from Azorte was for 1499. I was just thinking, what will I be wearing with this? I got same exact pants from Trends. Not believe that I got these two things separately. Pants to match with this shirt, and it looks exactly like it's a cord set, but it's not, and I got it from two separate brands. Just the material of the shirt and the trouser is different. This is a cotton trouser while this one is a satin shirt, but paired together it looks beautiful. It doesn't even look like it's not from the same set. The trouser from Trends was for 799. I got these two large scrunchies from Azorte, and this was for 399. Last but definitely not the least, I got this super gorgeous outfit from Vero Moda, and the moment I saw it and wore it, it looked so beautiful, effortless, and I felt like a mermaid truly. Firstly, you have to see how beautiful the neck itself is. Just the print and colors of this outfit scream summer, screams your perfect beach vacation. So I loved, super loved this outfit, and this was for 5499. So that's all for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comments which outfit did you like the most. Thank you for watching till the end. Make sure that you're subscribed, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye.